And welcome back to Mind Matters with Subhiksha. I was actually reading a book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and I read this point which was very intriguing and very important. So I did not bother to change or put any makeup, and it's currently 11:20 right now. So we all have problems, right? And the problems which we face can be from something very small to something which is very big and troubling to us a lot. And then we go to God, we ask for solutions, we pray for solutions. But here I read in this ideas worth remembering, I read this important point which will solve all of our problems. So when a problem comes, we always think of the worst case scenario. Worst case scenario meaning that what will happen as the worst. Let's say that you are struggling to pass an exam and that is your problem. You're struggling to pass a government exam, but your whole family is dependent on you and you have a lot of pressure on your head. So when you are in that state, the only thoughts that come to you is, if I fail, there will be no money. If there's no money, we'll become poor. If we become poor, everybody will laugh. Our lifestyle will come down. See, next, what you are thinking? You're thinking extreme negatives. But what if I tell you that there is a very easy method to see your problems getting solved? I'll read that part for you. Imagine the happy ending or solution to your problem. Feel the thrill of accomplishment. And what you imagine and feel will be accepted by your subconscious mind and it will bring it to pass. So what are they telling? Imagine the happy ending of your solution. Have you ever imagined the happy ending? Even I have never done this because I am a chronic overthinker. Even saying like this is not good actually, because the subconscious thinks, oh, this girl is overthinking, she's a chronic overthinker, so she's an overthinker. So even you're not supposed to tell like that. So let's say I have never used this method. This method seems to be very nice, very effective. And when you have a problem, when you think of it in the best case scenario, that happy ending to the problem. So for the same example of not passing the exam, what if you think that, okay, maybe it might take one or more attempts, maybe I might need to study more hours, but I will clear the exam. Imagine yourself clearing the exam, smiling, writing the question paper with knowing all the answers, and then submitting the paper and coming back home and telling your parents that you did very well. And then on the day of your results, you enter your username and password and then you click enter button and then you find out that you have passed in flying colors. You have to imagine the happy ending, and then you buy sweets and you share it to your mother, you feed her happily. This is how you're supposed to deal with any problem. So it will take some time for your subconscious mind to accept this, because we are all new, right? We have never done such things. So it will take some time for your subconscious to accept these kinds of thought patterns, which is why we are asked to meditate. We are asked to concentrate on our breath, read books, and do a lot of other things. So I would definitely recommend to you all to read this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. I got it on Zepto for 100 rupees. See, nowadays things are becoming very handy. You're getting such an important book in Zepto in 10 minutes. And if you read this book, your life is changed. I have read up to 56 pages and already I'm learning a lot of things. And I immediately wanted to share this with you all in a video. And if you're still watching, I'm Subhiksha. I post about mind, manifestation, spirituality and whatnot. And hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. And I will see you all in another video. Until then, bye-bye.